Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you're going to measure your rectangular banquet tables. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously find the right rectangular tablecloth, and to be able to do that, you need to know these exact measurements before you actually purchase the linens. So you need to know how long it is, how wide it is, and how tall, or the height of the actual table that you're going to be covering. First off, we're using an example here of a 6-foot table, and this is exactly how you're going to be measuring it. Now, if you're going to have the table, rent it, or maybe they have it at the actual venue, find out these dimensions first before you go shopping online. Now that you know the width, the length, and the height of your table, all you do is add twice the desired drop, since the drop is going to be on both sides of the table. So for this example, D times 2 equals 2D, D representing drop. 2D plus L, which is length, equals the length of the tablecloth. 2D plus width equals the width of the actual tablecloth. Now, if you want the tablecloth to go all the way to the floor, then the drop would be the same as the height of your table, or D equals height. So that's a little easy trick to go by as well. Now, of course, when you receive your tablecloths, then you know that you're going to have to steam them or iron them. Make sure you have enough time before your event to do that, because it's usually always necessary. Now, for this example, this tablecloth is just showing that halfway drop. Let's give you an example here. Your table is 30 inches wide and 72 inches long and 30 inches tall. So you want a 15-inch drop to the floor. So it's not all the way to the floor, it's only halfway. First you multiply 15, which is the halfway or the drop, times 2, remember that formula I just went over in the previous slide, equals 30 inches. Then you add that 30 inches to your width, so 30 plus 30 equals 60, and then you add that same 30 inches to the length, so 30 inches plus our length for this example is 72 inches equals 102 inches. So the tablecloth that you should be getting for that 15-inch drop should be 60 inches wide and 102 inches long. For this second example, if you want the drop all the way to the floor, then you take that 30-inch drop, multiply it by 2, equaling 60, and then you take that 60 inches to your width and your length. So the tablecloth for this specific table should be 90 inches wide and 132 inches long for the tablecloth to fully hit the floor. Let's say you're looking online and you find a listing that you really like and it's giving you the dimensions. So you have to do all of this in reverse. How you do that, it's very simple. You take the length of the tablecloth, because of course within the listing on the website, it's going to give you the length and width of the tablecloth. So you take the length of the tablecloth minus the length of the table. Remember, the table that you have, the measurement that you have, because remember, the listing doesn't know the size of your table, so you have to know the length of your actual table. So you divide that by 2, and that's going to equal the drop of the tablecloth lengthwise. You do the exact same thing for the width itself. So the width of the tablecloth that's listed online minus the width of the table, your table, divided by 2. That equals the drop of the tablecloth on the width side. So if the drop is longer than the height of the tablecloth is too large and you don't want to purchase that one. You're going to look for another size. Hopefully that makes sense. We're just going to show you a couple of slides here. We have all of these on Pinterest or our social media and our website as well, and these will just help you kind of see and give you a visual on how these actual tablecloths will look on specific table sizes. We wanted to show you our fitted tablecloths as well. These are perfect for trade shows, display booths, catering, and more, and they do fit the standard banquet tables. Now, as you can see, it has these great seams on the sides, so it hugs it really nicely. We do have a table sizing guide on our website to help you as well. So in combined with this video, you can also see all of that on our website when you do make the purchase, so it makes that transition really easy for you. So hopefully you guys found this enjoyable and helpful. If you did, make sure you show that by liking the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.